هذا الإسبريسو وهذا الأمريكي.
The first step in making a great cup of espresso is to start with freshly roasted and ground coffee beans. The coffee is then tamped down firmly into the portafilter, creating a compact puck that will allow for optimal extraction. The portafilter is attached to the espresso machine and the barista will begin the extraction process. Water is heated to the perfect temperature and is forced through the coffee grounds at high pressure. The result is a small shot of rich, flavorful espresso. The barista will carefully monitor the extraction process, adjusting the grind size and the amount of pressure as needed to ensure that the shot is perfectly balanced and full of flavor. I prefer my espresso with milk. The barista can also create a delicious latte or cappuccino for you, using perfectly frothed milk to create a creamy and luxurious drink. No matter how you take your espresso, the barista at the station cafeteria in Baghdad will have the skill and expertise to make you a cup of coffee that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized, just like the way I am now when I'm taking it from the hands of the barista. Thank you very much.
The best barista.